What's up, everybody? Today we're talking about berries. My name is Shane and this is It's Your Kitchen. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to season 2 of It's Your Kitchen. Today, like I said, we're doing berries. I went out and picked some fresh raspberries this morning. You can use frozen. You can go buy some from the grocery store. You can also use blackberries, boysenberries, strawberries if you slice them up smaller. Any of these things will work with this recipe. So let's get down and start talking about some berries. So what we're going to do with these berries today, we're going to make a sauce. I like to use the sauce for lots of things, mostly to put on some vanilla ice cream. Super tasty. But I also like to use it for other things. I've used this as a base for some hot sauces. It's excellent for a base for a barbecue sauce. The sky's the limit, guys. And you can also use this process to get into jams and stuff like that, but that will be for another video, okay? So let's get down to making this sauce. Guys, for this recipe, this thing is super easy. You've got everything in your kitchen except for maybe the berries, all right? Berries, butter, sugar, some water in here, some vanilla, and some cornstarch. That's it. Now, if you're going to can it or go too crazy, then you'll need some canning jars. Not a big deal. As always, guys, this recipe will be down in the description. For now, working on a website right now, so I can put all my recipes in one spot, so you can always just go there and get the recipes from there. That'll be coming out soon, all right? So let's move down in here to the stove and get started on this recipe. Got our berries in a pan already. I'm just using a medium saucepan. I'm going to turn these on medium. This is about 3 cups of berries. I'm going to add a half a cup of water and a cup of sugar to this recipe. I'm going to give this a stir. And what we're going to do is let this come up to almost a boil, guys, all right? But while I'm waiting on it to boil, I like to start pressing these berries in. Now, you don't want to crush all of them, okay? You still want some chunks in there. Or maybe you don't. If you don't, then press away. I like about 25% chunks, personally. But that is your decision. I'm going to keep pressing away on this. And we'll come back when this is starting to come to a boil. And as you can see, we're starting to get that boil we were looking for. Alright, I've been crushing it on the sides and through the bottom, just like I was discussing before, trying to figure out just how crushed I wanted them berries. Like I said, this is a personal preference. It's your kitchen. Do what you want to do. Now we got that nice slow boil we were looking for. We're going to turn our heat down just a little bit, you know. I'd say a medium low. Going to grab us some vanilla and we're going to add a half a teaspoon in there. There we go. We're going to give that a mix. Next process, quite simple, guys. Gonna take our cornstarch and some water and make a slurry. Gonna use this all the time, especially if you're making gravies and stuff like that. We're gonna take a tablespoon cornstarch. Gonna get ourselves 2 tablespoons of cold water. Grab a little whisk and we're gonna mix this up. Like I said, this is a slurry. You're gonna use this a lot in cooking. It's used to thicken most everything, unless you're doing a roux. This is just a cheater roux, basically. Well, yeah. So now we got that mixed up. We're going to add this to our mixture. And all this is for is to thicken this up, guys. Now we get in here and just start stirring. And guys, what we're doing right now is just stirring this up to the consistency we want it to be at. Like I said, it's your kitchen. You can do what you want to do. But yeah, you want this thick, you want to pour it over ice cream or biscuits or anything else you can think of to put this over top of. Pancakes. Oh man, that sounds good. I should have been making some pancakes for this video. There it is, guys. That's simple. Looks like we got 3 of these, I believe they're 8-ounce jelly jam jars out of them. Once you clean everything up, throw a lid on it, tighten her down, leave it on this towel until it's way cooled down. You can leave this overnight. I'm going to stick one in the fridge. These 2 guys are going in the freezer. Really hope everybody enjoyed this recipe. It's a nice, easy one, and it's a good thing to do when you got raspberries coming up, or blackberries. I did this with blackberries already this year. I've done it with raspberries a couple times this year. Like I said, I've made hot sauce from it, barbecue sauce from it. Definitely just dump it over ice cream, biscuits, everything. This stuff is amazing. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thanks for coming along again. Welcome to season 2, because this is the first episode. We've got more to come. Drop some comments down below. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Tell me what you want to see on the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. Everything that every YouTuber tells you. But please do it, because I appreciate it and it really does help me out. Anyways, I love y'all. Welcome back. Let's have an amazing season 2. As always, my name is Shane, and this is It's Your Kitchen.